Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute chats and groups on WhatsApp, so you can reduce distractions without leaving a conversation. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Go to your Chats tab and find the chat, or a group you want to mute. On Android, press and hold the chat until it's selected. On iPhone, just swipe left on the chat and tap More Now. Choose Mute Notifications. WhatsApp will give you options to mute for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. The one that works best for you? If you choose always, the chat will stay muted until you manually unmute it. Once muted, you'll still get the messages, but you won't be disturbed by constant notifications. You'll see a small mute icon next to the chat as a reminder. If you ever want to unmute, just go back to the same chat, tap Unmute Notifications, and everything will return to normal. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily mute chats and groups on WhatsApp, so you can stay focused without leaving important conversations. For more tips and tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.